Okay, hey everyone. I just wanted to explain question 21 properly again. Just so, for example, the first one, it's asking you why is it that there is less oxygen reacting in the second equation, okay? So which is B. So for when you look at just the reactants, okay, so there's two reactants here and then there's two reactants there, okay. You've got here CH4, which is a methane. You've got one methane reacting with two molecules, okay, of oxygen. So in a way, for every methane that's reacting, you need two oxygen molecules. So 1 and 2, the ratio. This one, though, if you have a look at this, okay, for every two methanes that you have, okay, every two methanes you got, you need three oxygen molecules to work, okay. So I mean, and obviously, so then you just compare this with this ratio. Now it's a little bit difficult this way, so it's always good to just, now they both got methane in it, so we can just compare by simplifying this one to, if there was only one methane for this equation, then you'd need, and then we'll divide this by half as well, there would be 1.5 oxygen molecules that you'll need to make this reaction happen. So for every one methane in this reaction, you need at least 1.5 oxygens for the rest of this to happen, right? But this one you need 2. So that's why in this one you kind of in a way need less. 1.5 is less than 2 molecules of oxygen. So I hope that helps.